perfect.
What's up, guys? This is Phillyswords RC. Today I got the ARRMA Typhon TLR. I'm going to do a speed test on this on the Typhon today, but the difference is I'm going to use these tires, the off-road tires, and then I'm going to use these grippers here, and then last but not least, some foam tires. I'm a little curious. I never did this test before, but I'm gonna try all different size tires. And as you can see, these is the grippers. I don't know if I'm gonna be using these because I don't know if I can find the other one. But as you can see, they're just as wide, but they're shorter. This is the hard compound GRPs, and then the foams are a little bit smaller, same width. So we want to see which tire we're gonna get the most speed out of it with. I'm going with the foams. I'm gonna go with the foam tires. Gonna get the most speed because they're gonna have the most grip. I don't know, it's between these and the GRPs. I know it's gonna be easy to control with these two tires. This one is going to be a little hard to control, and I may blow them. I went through about 3 sets of these tires. As you see in the back over here, them tires right there, blew them out. They all over the place. Still rocking the factory system in there. I'll let y'all check that out just in case you haven't seen it. Let y'all check that thing out real quick. There you go. You go to inside, and this is the TLR. It's a slash TLR actually. This one is the V2 chassis and TLR parts everywhere besides the chassis. Shock towers is TLR. Everything's TLR. I'm not going to add one at this point. What we're going to do now, we're going to throw some batteries in there real quick. Here go the battery I'm gonna be running. I'm gonna run this Turnigy Bolt battery, 7500 milliamps, ADC. This is a Levy battery, high voltage battery. This battery's been pretty good. I've been using it for maybe a couple months now, and I get top speed out of my vehicles. It's a high voltage battery, so it's very torquey with this battery in there. But I'm gonna leave the link in the description below where you can pick these up. This is a good purchase for a battery. But I'm gonna throw these up in there, and this is what we're gonna run in there. It has a hard time fitting the body right. That's why I really don't, especially during a speed test. You kind of want the body to sit down right, but I don't have that option right now. But I'm gonna still throw this up in there. So without any further ado, all right, we out here now. We're gonna start off with the factory tires.
Ready.
Let's see if I'm picking up. I needed my headpiece. Is she nice and straight? No, she's veering to the right a little bit. Yeah, because if I'm doing one hand, I need. This is just go right here. Yeah, I could not get on it. I could not get on it. Whoa. Man, if this is like 75, I know this thing got like 100 in it. because I didn't get on it at all, really. Hey, not really at all, period. So, let's see what that was. Survey says 58. Makes sense. Makes sense.
Here we go again.
Yeah, it made a lot of sense. 58. I don't want to go too long on here with these tires because I don't want to kill the battery. But it is that a Turnergy battery, 7,500 milliamps. And by the way, this is, like I said in my videos when I last time I ran this, I said it's not a basher. Somebody told me that, yeah, this is not a basher, why am I bashing it? I never said this was a basher. I said it's a speed car, it's set up for speed. Oh yeah, that was fast. I don't understand, people must don't watch the whole video. I repeatedly said, this is not a basher. This is my speed car. It's set up for speed, not bashing. I just bashed it because just wanted to see how much it could take, and it could take it. But I'm not going to bash it like that. Oh, yes, I am. But all right, let's check that speed out. That should be 70 something. 75 miles an hour.
Perfect.
75. Yeah, this thing, man, these tires actually holding it down, but it make it very uncontrollable on high speeds. Yo, well controlled though. It make it wiry, but I can control it. Now we're gonna check that speed that I'm gonna throw on the GRPs. Survey says 80, come on, 78 miles an hour still. I'm gonna throw them GRPs on there real quick, so I'll be right back. Now the GRPs.
I ain't done yet. Boom!
Yeah, unfortunately I couldn't find my the new GRPs, so I had to settle for these. They got a little bit of life left, not too much. But what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna zero this out, start all over. So there'll be no discrepancies in the speed. I had a hard time taking it off. I don't know what happened here. I'm gonna have to change out the lugs. Let's see if she's straight. She's not straight. That's why I wanted my headpiece, man. That was straight. With these, I should have turned down the steering dual rate. All right, here we go. Here goes nothing. got full throttle for like a couple of seconds. Still a little wiry, not as wiry, but still a little wiry. So let's check that speed real quick. 78. Ta-da! 78. Could have definitely did a lot better. Now I'm going further down. That was topped out. I was at full throttle. That was full throttle. I'm gonna check that speed and then I'm gonna put on the GRP. I mean the foam tires. GRPs are already on there. So I think that felt like about the same. So check that out, see what it was. 78. Last but not least, the foams. All right. Only thing is, the foams are a lot smoother. If I'm having a problem with my lugs right now, I'm hoping this don't turn bad. The thing is, I'm gonna come uphill because I'm having problems with my lugs, and I do not want that tire, which is doing it already. Thank goodness I didn't start. Oh! Yeah, she's over and done with. But all I got was 78 miles an hour. These I probably would have hit probably 78, maybe 80 miles an hour. But well, basically the foam tires is the smoothest. They're the smoothest, they're the fastest, they grip more, they're more stable with the foams on. Then you got the GRPs next to stable, more stable, but these are dogs, so they didn't get sticky yet, so probably have grabbed a lot better. Now the factory tires held it down, but it was uncontrollable at high speeds. But other than that, they held up great. So I gotta gear this up because all I hit was 78 and I really expected more than 78 miles an hour. So till next time, hit that like button, notification bell. Thanks for watching, and I'm out.